Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on the Servio Retail Cloud. We're going to talk about core features of Retail Cloud Servio, the restaurant application. Once you set up your point of sale Servio, once you have it activated, you will have a default screen, which is a login screen. There are two options to log in. One is a password based and one is a pin based. For Servio, the default login is always going to be a pin based. And once you log into the pin, you can see layout, and the layout can be either a table layout where you can have different tables organized into table groups, or it can be directly for a menu, which is for a QSR when you don't use tables. And you can see different colors for these tables. Some of them shows red over a certain amount of time. There are two tables which are open over 1 hour, and there is other tables which are like gray. If I click on one of the table, I can get into the menu and access the menu. Menu can be organized by categories. You can simply add a new category by just clicking the plus button, or you can also add items under each category by clicking a create new item. It's very simple. You have a couple of options there. Either it's a grid view or a list view. I'm going to let's add a chicken taco to the cart. And you can see the modifiers. All the products which denotes with M is a modifier product. So I have different type of modifiers here. I've chosen some of them. I'm adding into the cart. And you can do more items, and this is a very simple product, and you can just add them into the cart. You have an option of checking out directly now, or you can send it to the kitchen. I'm going to send it to the kitchen. Based on the rules you have configured for your kitchen printer, it is either going to fire it into one printer or how many other printers you may have. You also have an option of sending it to a KDS, which is a kitchen display, and you can configure the routing rules for that. If you want to add more items to that order, you simply open that order and you just access the cart and just add more items to the order. You have some functions like you can change the table directly from here, or you can, when you are ready, I'm going to add a couple of items to the cart again. In this case, let's add an item to the order, and I'm going to just whenever you're ready to check out, all you have to do is just print the guest check directly from the menu and present it to the customer and check it out. Now you have an option of using a handheld and taking the order at the table and paying at the table. In this case, I'm going to just finish the order and complete the sale. You can print the receipts, both copy, customer and merchant copy. Then you can text the receipt, you can email the receipt, or you can start a new table order. You also have a tab for online order, which allows you to see all the orders which are for online. Right now there is no open orders, so that you don't see anything right now. Couple of other quick things. You can, at any point of time, you can access the open orders, irrespective of whether you have that table, and based on certain configurations. You can see all the orders here listed out there. The things, if they are assigned to a table, it is going to show the table number, or else it is going to have a ticket number. You have options of adding new products directly from here. And in this case, you see all the products. You can search for the product. Or if you want to edit a modifier, it's really easy. You have to click the edit button, edit modifiers, and just you can see all the orders here. You can see all the modifiers here. Okay, and you have all the customers using, you can access the customers using the customer options you see there. You can add new employees. If you have temporary employees, all you have to do is just add them right here. Clock in, clock out, give you an option to clock in and clock out using a PIN or a password. End of the day, you can do the tip adjustment for all your credit card transaction if you accept the tip. Now you have options of accepting the tip on the glass or on the receipt. End of the day, you can have run the application through an end of the day process where it will walk you through certain things. You can reconcile the orders directly here, change the status. If there are open tables, you can finish them or check it out directly from there. You can do all the tip adjustments. If there are credit card transactions, it's going to show there. If you have open employees who have not clocked out, you can see that there. You can close the batch and print the report. Do you have different type of reports? It could be a daily sales report or a shift report or a breakdown reports, which give you reports by products, employees, and categories. So once you're done, you're closed for the day, and you can batch close, and you're done for the day. There are other useful functions which are really accessible, like reprinting the receipt, activate a gift card. If you sell gift card through our system, you can activate and acquire the gift card right there, and you have a slew of options to configure your options like receipt headers, your promotional messages, etc. And based on the devices, you will have some extra options also, like configuring the CDS if you have a second display, which is there. So there are different options. If you want to learn more about Servio, you can go to docs.retailcloud.com. If you have any specific questions, you can email us at support@retailcloud.com. Thanks for watching, and you may also visit support@retailcloud.com for any other questions you may have on the product or any kind of pricing. Thank you.